walk through, fade away. 32 count, one more dance, intermediate level line dance, one, tag and restart, and then the tag will be 16 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk through, facing back walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. There is only one tag and restart. Happen in walk 4. Dance 28 counts of the dance and 8 your tag 16 counts back to front walk. Have some step change at the last counts of 15 and 16. We're going to show you the tag 16 count. We will start from the section 4. Last 4 counts of the dance. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and tag 16 count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and then start again the dance facing front walk. Thank you for watching.